back at home, I think I only got like a couple of clips at Dollar Tree, and I feel like it was a fail in the sense that I typically, every time I go, I will hit some sort of like jackpot. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees actually, and it was just, I just didn't walk away with as much as I guess I normally do to show you guys like all the new stuff that's popping in the store. But I don't know, I guess I'm gonna call this kind of a fail, but ironically, I still found some really good stuff, so I don't know if it's truly a fail. I guess I just mean it in the sense of I usually walk away with more brand new items to share. So, all right. First of all, this really cute bag. I don't know why I'm just now seeing this. This little like, you know, tote, cottontail. I actually really love the color combos of this, even with the purple and the pink and this like Tiffany blue. Very pretty actually. The side just looks like that. It's trying to look like an old fence, I guess. So that's really adorable. I'm gonna use this bag actually because I'm moving. My life is in shambles. And I'm gonna use this to pack up the pantry. So that will be nice for that. So I've got 2 bags between the 2 stores. So in this one, I guess I scored on my little flashcards because I just love these things so much. And some of them are, I've got so many. Some of them are a little bit tricky to find. So when I found this jackpot of flashcards, I did want to kind of stock up because with Dollar Tree, you just never know. These are super plain and cute. I love like the, oh, camera is struggling today. I really love the brightness and kind of the simplicity. Then we've got these. I need to see what these look like. Hang on a second. Yeah. Hold on. I'm sorry. I know it's flashcards, but I gotta see what I'm working with here. That is cool that they give you the little wrap right there so that it's easy to pull it apart. I'm going back. I'm going back for these because these are gonna be so great to work with for junk journaling. I am definitely going to stock up on these. So the one with the watermelon, I have to remember which store was that? Okay, then we've got this one. So let's go ahead and open that and see, oh, how cute. I'm not gonna open up like all of them, but I just kind of want to like see what we're working with. That's very adorable. Then we've got the subtraction cards. So these are purple. Yeah, I'll just kind of like show you. Actually, yeah, they come in colors. Now these were the cards I've been trying to hunt down. They are so hard and rare for me to find at Dollar Tree because I prefer to work in like solid colors like this when it comes to flashcards. I love all the other ones too. So I definitely need to go back and get those. Then I found this one. This one, you get 36 cards. Look at that. And then again, I love how plain it is and that there's not, you know, a lot going on. Some of them, there's just a lot going on. And those are cute too. I haul them too, love them too. But I do prefer the ones that are just very, very simple. I think they work so well with junk journaling, especially if you have like a color theme that you're working with. Oh, wow, look at that. It's like painters. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm actually going to take pictures of these. That way I have it in my camera roll and I know which ones. So I'm gonna take a picture of this one, the covers. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. I need to open up the alligator one. Are y'all busy? Is this boring anybody to tears? But let me just like open up the alligator one and we'll just kind of do like no editing on this part, but just so that we can see, yeah, very cute. As you can see, a little bit more going on here, like more words, but overall, these are very cute. Here's what the back looks like. So adorable, love it. Okay. So we're gonna take pictures. Yeah, I don't wanna get another pack of those, but these I'm gonna get more packs. Then we've got this one. These are also very hard to find. I love them. I don't need to open them. You can clearly see what they look like. These are also amazing to junk journal with because like they're just so plain. And they have like multiple colors. So there's a different color around the border and then the color of the numbers. Very cute. I did get 2 of those. Oh no, 3 of them because like I already knew I loved them. Then we've got these. They're like the subtraction cards. Yeah, except they're addition. So they're the same solid colored cards. So these are the ones I need to get. I didn't realize I got 2 of the cats, did I? I guess I did. Did I? Yeah, I did. Okay, so I feel like I just maybe need to go back and get these, more of these. So I felt like for me personally in junk journaling, that was a huge score. Okay, next up, I found some really cute comic books. We've got Batman, Wonder Woman. They had 2 others to choose from. I didn't really care for those, to be honest, so I just picked up these 2. And I definitely am gonna tuck these away in my craft room. You know, if I'm ever gonna pull for a superhero junk journal spread. So I for sure was like, okay, if I ever do one, this will be such a great item to work with and tear these pages out, even use the cover and sew them into my signatures. So love that. These have been on my list. I don't know how Haribo does this, but all their gummies taste different and the Happy Hoppers are so good. I have ventured to say that out of all of their gummy bears, the Happy Hoppers are like right there, #1 or #2 best gummy bear flavor. So I wait all year for these to come out because I just love them so much. Next up, these little jelly bombs. I actually saw these not too long ago, so they're kind of recently dropped at Dollar Tree, I would say maybe in the last 3 to 6 months, but what a perfect time to grab these for an Easter basket. Super adorable, get those. Then I picked up these, oh wait, I also got the Smile Lines patch. I've held it before, I've already tried it. I just wanna like keep going. From what I read, I heard this was like genetic. So some people have it and some people don't. And I'm just like, of course I do. Anyways, so, oh, that's my receipt. At this one store, I spent $23 even. One thing was 50 cents. Oh, this was. So $23 at that store. It's probably like, for me, that's pretty low. Cause like I love to go to Dollar Tree. Obviously that's what I do. I like to show you guys what's new so that you know what's going on in the store. So for me to go in there, that's kind of on the lower side to show you like new things, but I did score these new stamps. Like look at this one. I was so shook when I saw this. Like the stamps are huge. They're the clear acrylic stamps. I have this in a smaller version from Dollar Tree as well. And then I have these with the words and the sentiments. Yeah, very adorable. Like Dollar Tree is giving us crafting. They're giving us all the material that we need to like do all the fun stuff. Are you guys in any hobbies? If you are, like what's your hobby? Like, are you into scrapbooking? Are you into junk journaling? Is there some other kind of hobby? Is anybody doing pocket letters anymore? Because I feel like that was actually really cool and really fun. But I don't know, comment, let me know. I've never seen my receipt so short. At this store, it was $14.50, but several items were $1 and it was those cards. So then I found this stamp set. I mean, this is worth running to Dollar Tree for right here. This one and this one. Oops. I cannot believe this is at Dollar Tree. I was like begging in my head, and with Dollar Tree, I even think I've said it in videos, I'm like, okay, it's time for new stamps. They have finally arrived because they were on the same stamps for like 2 years. Finally, we got some new ones. All right, then I did find some more of these claw clips, which I was hoping to find. I knew that I had seen a girl talk about them, and in her video, I saw all the other colors. But if you watch my previous haul, I only found them in pink up until now. So I finally found the other colors. They're so cute. I love the speckled look. I don't know anything about this brand, but it's not Dollar Tree. I'll tell you that. And that means we might not see a restock. So once it goes, it goes. So keep that in mind. I can tell just from doing this and looking at it, you can just tell the quality. Like, it's thick, it's there. So there's that. All right, next up, I did pick up this Women's Dry Antiperspirant Spray. Did I say that right? I don't really use this stuff, but I like to, I don't know, I'm gonna try it out. Shake well before using. I just wanna like smell it too. Ooh. Smells really good, actually. It does not smell cheap. It smells fresh. It's a fresh scent. That is true. That is not a lie. Lightweight, long lasting. Do you guys use a spray, and have you found that you like it better than a stick? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Then I found Yardley has this option as well. So if you watched again a previous haul, you knew I hauled this in that rose scent, and then I think it's like a citrus scent, but I didn't know that they had a third option in this lavender scent. So I talked about in that video how impressed I was that Yardley's doing these body mists, because I've only ever known them to do soap, like those bars of soap. So I didn't know that they had like other stuff in their line, but now they have a body mist. English lavender with essential oils, no alcohol and no parabens. The no alcohol is a big one too, because like whenever there's anything with a scent, there's alcohol like formula based in it, and that's just gonna dry out your skin. So I've never understood why they would give something for your skin that's gonna make your skin not good, but whatever. Okay, then we've got the cards, and I'll just kind of like rotate through them for you. They're super cute. Oops. This one's probably one of my favorites. Then we have the cute little truck. You get the envelope in here as well. The Happy Easter, of course. I look at all of this from a junk journaling perspective. This one's probably one of my top favorites, but definitely go watch my TikToks if you want to know what is going to be in my top 5 from this haul. But this one is so cute. And then we have this one. This one is just, I love the embossing on the silver. Normally I actually don't like getting cards like this. I am a religious person, but it's just not my personal thing. But this one is just so beautiful, I couldn't resist. So I got that, and that's it. So that's my haul today. A little on the smaller side. I am moving, just a quick update on that. You guys are gonna get the house tour very, very soon, and I'm gonna be dropping my next junk journal kit in my Etsy shop. So thank you to everyone who buys anything from my Etsy shop, my mugs, my shirts, all my stuff, and for buying my kits. I hope you guys have been loving it. I hope you've been having fun working with all the stuff. And my next kit is gonna be a game board kit. So it's all like game board stuff. It's so cute. I cannot wait to package them up. I'm also been like really focusing on my packaging just to like give that experience and just make it cute. I don't know, it's been a thing for me, but I'm very excited to make that drop. And girl, I gotta go. I gotta pack.